So we're on the delivery trail. We're on Deanery Road. And we're here to deliver to this guy. Oh no, the gentleman.
Yeah, respect you.
Alright, so we have a package for you.
Yeah,
First time shipper?
No,
Not a first time.
not first.
So that means you like the service and
Yeah,
you come
man,
back.
the service. Alright.
Service alright?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. That's it?
That's it.
Nothing else?
Respect that, man. Just keep up the good work. Yeah.
Service alright. Keep up the good work. That's him say. So we're gonna keep up the good work. We'll make sure you get the package them on time all the time.
Alright.
We like the old style.
Yeah, man.
Nice car.
Big one.
Yeah man, good. So there we have it on the delivery trail. We're in dinner. Hello nurse, how are you? I'm having a little pain. You wanna help me? My heart paining. Nurse wanna help me with my heart. Not giving any more trouble. There we have it. Have a wonderful day. This is how we do it on the delivery trail.
Yard, abroad. You have been watching our videos, but I know you don't create your shipping account. What you're waiting for? It is free to create, and you can do it in half the time it takes to watch this video. You know, want shipping items them to Jamaica at your doorstep, 25% of what FedEx or DHL will cost you. When you wait, man, do it. Click the link in the description box below and sign up now. Create your free shipping account. Where you wait, man? We are in the streets. Watch me.